Okay, on this video we're going to be protecting this backflow device. It's a 2-inch RPZ. On this property, it's located right by the water meter. Our preparation is going to be right underneath the valve. It is at ground level. We have put some wire mesh there to keep all the concrete together. Now the reason it's right underneath the valve is mainly to keep the plumbing away from the concrete. We're going to be using this Sekure-It kit. It's a brand new product out there in the market. It's got capabilities of taking care of your 2-inch and your 1.5-inch valves, your 1-inch and your 3/4-inch valve. We're zooming in into the locking mechanism. It's got an Allen bolt with a breakaway nut. Once you break it, you're not going to be able to take it off. A little bit about the product. It's called Sekure-It, designed and created by an irrigator backflow tester, and it's powder coated. We're going to take the big U-bolt and we're going to apply it right in between the service valves or the shut-off valves. The collar of it, we're going to put it underneath, and then we're going to start screwing in the L fasteners. The reason we're securing this valve is because people have been stealing these valves and they go to the scrap metal yard and sell them for some money, leaving the consumer or the property owner with all the expenses. Now these L fasteners have to go evenly so that the locking bolt goes through without no problems. Now these are some of the tools that we're going to be using. We're going to take the stabilizer bar and we're going to connect it to the Sekure-It bar, which is a long bar. We're going to put this bolt here and tighten it up. This is going to stay all underneath the concrete. Once it's dried, you're not going to be able to see it. Now we're going to take JB weld and we're going to apply some of this JB weld on the thread of this locking bolt and then on that Allen wrench cavity there to prevent it from being removed. Now we're going to put these two rebars on the stabilizer bar. If they want us to remove this, they're going to take a whole bunch of concrete. We're going to tighten the locking bolt all the way until the breakaway nut breaks. And this is how much concrete we used. And this is the ending product. We have full accessibility to the valve, no keys, no locks. It's called Sekure-It, and this valve is not going anywhere.